Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today is we're going to unbox this and my mom will going to review this organ, and we received this today at shopee na magipalit. So yes. So before we start, guys, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell and hit thumbs up. And also you can share this video so that you can help others to know the review of this.
It's so nice to see you once again. And guess what? We ordered, I think 4 days ago, an organ that she is requesting because it's, it's quarantine and everyone is having a limited. I think the perfect time to practice. So 4 days ago, we ordered it from
Shopee! Salamat Shopee! Salamat Shopee!
So we ordered it, and then before we ordered it, we check and we get a nice review from one of these professional musician from Singapore. His name is Jeremy Lee, and I have checked his review about beginner's keyboard / piano. And he highly recommend Yamaha PSR E363, and this is the one. So if you have the budget of 15, I think you better get this one so that you will have straight and you will keep on changing your keyboard or your organ in one shot. You have your the best or one of the best organ for beginners. And this is Yamaha PSR E363 designed in Japan. So we'll just check this out and let's do unboxing. This is Yamaha Japan, and it has a portable grand button, like a piano style button, and with the USB to host, like whatever the audio, you can connect it to your laptop, to your iPad, and with melody suppressor auxiliary in, like you can also input any chord that goes to your cell phone or headphone. It has a 48 polyphony with like 48 sounds. Touch response is the most if you're buying a keyboard or a piano, should be touch response or sensitive.
So this is the adapter. So I got it from here. When you remove it, you can get your adapter. This one. I hope this is it. This is the adapter. And this one is for the manual stand. The manual inside. It's for the manual stand.
So this is the Yamaha PSR PSR E363. PSR E363. This is the best. As what I have also reviewed before I bought this one for the beginners, and it has 61 keys. You have to count from here. It's 61 keys or 61 notes. And these are the voices that this Yamaha PSR has to offer. It has piano, grand piano, organ. It has a accordion, guitar, bass, strings, saxophone, trumpet, the effect, and this is the digital data entry here for you to record a voice. Music database, so it's just like all the hits, pop and rock, ballad, oldies. So the songs, it will top picks, learn to play, favorite with style, instrument, and style, beat. This is very beautiful. It has already built-in speaker, an auxiliary in, where you can use to plug your iPhone, your laptop, so that it will give another connectivity, and it is also a battery operated, and this is a touch response. And this keyboard is 4.6 kilos, so it's not very heavy, it's very easy, and it is a touch response and touch sensitivity. This is good for the beginners, and it has a registration memory, so whatever you want to put and to be recorded here, you can just, this is the button for registration memory database. Two built-in speaker, and great for value of functionality. With 48 sounds are fully phonic. It is designed by Yamaha Japan. If you have the budget for the beginners between 14 to 15,000, I think this is a go for the new beginners. And this is battery operated also. If you want to go out and go with your friends and play organ or keyboard, you can use this one with 6 AA battery. You can use this one and you can play without any electricity, because this is also a battery operated organ. So I think we will open this one later and we'll play. So it has a manual stand, and this is the manual stand. There's an adapter. This is what you call touch sensitivity. When you press it hard, it will sounds very strong. And if you press soft, it will sound soft. So that's what you call touch sensitivity, and that's a very good organ or piano. And this Yamaha PSR, it has a portable grand that it sounds like a grand piano. So like this. See, this is touch sensitivity.